Today I partnered up with Creme to try some of their new products. I started off with a Moisture and Shine shampoo and followed that up with a deep conditioning, intense conditioning treatment. And after that I applied the heat protectant Smooth and Shine blowout cream to my damp hair and followed that up with a heat defense Smooth and Shine polisher before flat ironing. So after letting my hair dry on the towel for a little bit so that I would just have damp hair, which cuts down on the time that it takes to dry my hair with a blow dryer, I added the Heat Protector Smooth and Shine Blowout Cream. And this product defies humidity, it adds moisture and shine, its lightweight and non-greasy formula adds natural shine, and it also is an anti-frizz. I like to blow dry my hair in small sections. This just ensures that I get the roots completely dry and makes the process go a lot smoother.
Take note to the brand new dance like when I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
Hell yeah, hey DJ, bring that back.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
Hell yeah, hey DJ, bring that back.
Stand up. 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 Stand up.
Once I finished blow drying my hair, I added the Heat Defense Smooth and Shine polisher before using small sections and flat ironing my hair and chasing it with a small tooth comb.
Go on with your big ass. Let me see something. Tell your little friend you can quit mean mugging. I'm lit and I don't care what no one thinks. But where the f is the waitress at with my drink? My people outside and they can't get in. We gon' rush the back door and break them in. The owner already cause we sorta late. But our time and our clothes gotta coordinate. Most girls looking right, some looking a mess. That's why they spilling drinks all over your.
You can see the shine in my hair.
Got me wanting to put hickeys all over your chest. Come on, we gon' party tonight. Y'all use mouth to mouth, bring the party to life. Don't be scared, show another party of life. The more drinks in your system, the harder the fight. When I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
Hell yeah, hey DJ, bring that back.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
When I move, you move.
Just like that.
Hell yeah, hey DJ, bring that back.
So because I live in Chicago and we've had a torrential downpour the past few days, my hair was not staying straight. So I decided to do a halo braid. And I just divided my hair evenly all around my head and took small sections to include in each strand of the braid.
Away from getting some good up. Now we one song away from tearing the club up. Move over. Luda got something to say. Do it now, cause tomorrow ain't promised today. Work with me. Let's become one with the.
Once I got all the way down to the other end, I braided the remainder of my hair and made sure that I fluffed the braid to make it look larger. And you want to start at the end of your hair and move your way up in order to create the most volume in the braid. And then I took some bobby pins and pinned the back end of the braid into the halo braid so that you couldn't see it. And now I'm just pulling down a couple pieces near my ear to create an unfinished braided look.
Stand up. Stand up.
Let me know how you guys like this style, and I'll see you in my next video.